Two members of my family become cancer patients. Obviously, being myself a physician here in the United States, we access the best treatment and the best protocol for both of them. Unfortunately, we were losing. I was a little bit close-minded in terms of alternative or complementary medicine. However, for reasons that life presents to us, I have the privilege to meet with Dr. Bertachini. He introduced me to a new approach, a new methodology in treating cancer patients as a human being, and particularly with a holistic approach. The treatment was so successful with Dr. Bertachini that I decided to move to Central America and start researching why this product that is called Briomyxol, it makes the cancer almost disappear and make the quality of life of the patients at the first level. You can do the traditional treatment, you can use chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or surgery, but at the same time you can use these natural products that will allow you to keep a quality of life, to keep you as a human being with dignity, without pain, without losing your hair, and particularly using the best technology, modern technology medicine can offer today. This is a unique opportunity for everybody who would like to give us the chance to talk with us and to be aware that there is an opportunity to use natural products and complementary medicine in the best way possible.